Welcome to my continuing travel vlog from Washington, D.C. And today I'll be taking you to my trip to the White House Visitor Center. So yesterday I took you to just the outside of the White House because that was the only way for me to be able to go there because that trip was actually not really planned. So to be able to go inside the White House tour, you actually need to register at least a month in advance and via our embassy. So now you can see here that this is inside the visitor center. It's actually just across the street from where I was waiting for the bus stop in my previous video. So if you missed that, I will link in the description the link for that video. So again, this is the White House Visitor Center, and this is second best to actually being inside the White House. So when you enter there, you will go through an x-ray scan. They're actually very friendly, and I actually arrived there almost closing time, about an hour and a half prior, but I was still able to actually enjoy my trip here. So when you upon entering to your right, you will see the gift shop, but eventually I just roamed around first. Now the visitor center is divided into like different exhibits. So they will show you like different facets and places that are obviously very relevant to those who've never been there and would want to have a peek of what it looks like. So here you can see a replica of the entire White House. So you have the north, the south wing. So this is actually a model, and this is a very interactive model, so you can press switches and it will tell you where that is. And on top of that, you would be able to see different mementos, memorabilia, and other things about the White House, like their everyday schedules, not just the president, but as well as the First Lady, and even their pets. They even have exhibits about their pets. There was even one about who ate what, but I didn't include that in this video because I already created a shorts for that. And so sit back, relax, and enjoy this very short tour of the White House Visitor Center.
we've been as a country and who we are today.
The White House represents the journey of our nation, defined by the ideals of democracy, justice, and equality.
And that's it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed that very short trip to the White House Visitor Center, and I hope that you can join me again for another place in Washington, D.C. tomorrow. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I have a new upload or live stream. Bye!